Okay, I narrated the middle part and the last part. Now you'll notice, if you get in closer, that my middle part goes a little too far. It goes past the talking part right here. So what you want to do is you want to cut down where the empty spaces are. So I think I have a big empty space right here. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit, get the crop tool, and let's cut here and cut here. Get the move tool and delete that, and then bring this to the left. All right, I need a little bit more. Let's zoom in here. Ooh, there's some spots right here. I can get rid of this and maybe even get rid of this one over here. Make a little more space. Let's delete those areas, and then let's bring this over, drag these over. There we go. Let's see what happens here. Let's drag that over. All right, good. And then at the end, you want to start the narration after he fades out and Gary's by himself. And at the end here, after the narration stops, we see Gary look into the distance. We can right-click on the end of that scene and click on Apply Default Transitions so the scene will fade out like this. Now let's add the music. Click on the folder here and drag the music.mp4 into the timeline. I'm going to bring the timeline over here and drag that music in. Click on the top or the bottom and then right-click on it and click Unlink. Delete the top because it doesn't have any video that goes with it. This is just a music track. And let's bring the music all the way to the left. We're going to start the video off with music. I'm going to bring it up here like this, and we're going to bring the volume down on this. So when you have the music selected, up in the left here in the effects controls, there's a level and there's a number that says 00 dB. That's decibels. I'm going to click on the 00 and write -5 and press return. And then listen to the music and the narration together. If the music is still too loud, click on the decibels and go -10. Go in 5 increments. It's still too loud for me. Maybe let's try go crazy, -20. All right, -20 sounds really good. Did you notice that there are these little diamonds that pop up when I put in the numbers? Be aware of that. What I usually do is I'll put the diamond at the beginning. Sometimes I'll pop up over here if you change something when the marker is over here in a different area. So just be aware of that. So I want the music to stop when it gets to the beginning of him talking here. So get the cut tool, crop that right there, click on that excess and delete. And then copy this, click on it and do a Command C. Use the Shift key and drag the marker to the beginning of the next narration, and then press Command V to paste that music in again. Whenever the narration goes on, you want to add the music. Take the music and cut it down to at the end of the narration. So I want to have the music over here, but I don't want it to start exactly when he disappears, but I want it to start before the narration comes in. So I'm going to paste the music here. I'm going to bring it over just a little bit. You might have to move in a little bit closer so you can get it exactly where you want. You can move the narration to the right a little bit and then listen to it. See if it looks and sounds good all together. The lesson will continue in the next video.